Hey, it's Nick, and today we're making Korean BBQ Skirt Steak. First thing is to get a beef skirt steak and cut it into nice thin strips. Once it's cut into strips, season the beef liberally with salt and pepper. Now that it's seasoned, grab a bowl and add the beef to the bowl. After you add the beef, add in half an onion sliced into strips, 4 stalks of green onions cut into pieces, 3 cloves of minced garlic, a teaspoon of minced ginger, a tablespoon of brown sugar, a tablespoon of vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar or rice wine, a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and finally, a 1/4 cup of Korean chili sauce, or what you'll sometimes see called gochujang sauce. Mix it all together and we'll get a super yummy smelling mix to make our Korean barbecue. Don't worry if you can't remember all the ingredients, full recipes on our website. Alright, time to cook everything, and it's super simple. Heat up 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to medium-high heat. Then, once it's hot, add in the beef and veggie mixture. Cook on medium-high heat for 10 to 12 minutes, stirring occasionally until the onions are soft and the beef is cooked through. You don't want to overcook skirt steak. Serve the beef and veggies with rice, sauce drizzled on top, and then put some green onions on top for a fresh garnish. Yummy. Thanks for watching. See you soon at Lake Geneva Country Meats.